So you processed your invoices and validated the data. Now what? For most teams, the final step is the most tedious. Manually retyping all of this clean, approved data into your accounting software. It's a huge waste of time and introduces one last chance for human error. Before we see on to how we export this data with Adaptec, let's see the results of the bill that we are going to export. As you can see, it's two invoices that we've extracted information from, and these are quite large bills. And for the sake of this video, I'm not going to make corrections of issues that are flagged here, just to showcase how we export not just data but the intelligence that comes from this data onto platforms. Going back to how integrations are possible, I will go to the integrations tab where we have an option to connect with systems such as QuickBooks, Tally, and many more coming such as Zoho, Xero, and other accounting softwares. To export the data after it has been processed, what I would do is click on the icon here where it would give me option to export data to systems that are connected. Additionally, if you want to review this data on an Excel, that is also possible. And here is an Excel, the perfect mirror of what we saw on the platform. Every header, every detail, every line item, and all the GL codes and taxes are extracted as should be, as seen on the platform. Additionally, you'll also notice that the system's intelligence of flagging issue has also been exported into this Excel file. So in case you want to manually review these documents outside the platform and in Excel, it makes it intuitive for you to do so. Stop wasting time on manual data entry. With Adaptec, you can connect, export, and integrate your data seamlessly where it needs to go. To know how we streamline your workflow, book a personalized demo today.